Superstar Shah Rukh Khan has dominated Bollywood's romantic genre for more than 3 decades. Even as he transitions into action-driven roles, films like Kal Ho Na Ho, DDLJ, and Kuch Kuch Hota Hai continue to hold a special place in the hearts of his fans. Filmmaker Nikhil Advani, who directed Kal Ho Na Ho and assisted on Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, recently revisited the making of these films in an interview. During the conversation, he recalled an incident from the first day of Kuch Kuch Hota Hai when Shah Rukh Khan lost his temper with both him and Karan Johar. Nikhil recalled that Karan Johar, who was directing his first film, had excitedly ordered every piece of equipment available on a film set. He said, "We had called for all the equipment, be it the dolly, the jib, and everything in between. The scene we shot isn't in the film, but we had a tracking shot of kids crying outside a dentist's office, and then we see Shah Rukh also crying. We finished the day's shoot, and Shah Rukh called me and Karan into his van and he said, 'Boss, you all don't know anything. You don't know how to do anything. Why did you get all this equipment? It wasn't required for this shot. Figure it out.'" Talking about his own directorial Kal Ho Na Ho, Nikhil revisited the film's iconic climax and revealed that he was overwhelmed while shooting the emotional scene. "I started crying because I didn't really know how to shoot the scene. Anil Mehta told me to keep it simple and shoot it from Shah Rukh's POV. I had to convince myself that Shah Rukh had just done Devdas. His death scene was so iconic, with Aishwarya Rai running the 9-meter sari and screaming Deva. I had to understand that I have to make the scene between just two people." Nikhil concluded by explaining that by the time the wedding scene arrives, the audience already knows Shah Rukh Khan's character is dying and has made his sacrifice. He said this understanding allowed the team to keep the moment understated, choosing not to show Aman's death on screen and letting the emotion come from what was already understood. The anecdote adds to a series of behind-the-scenes stories from the making of Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, highlighting the early days of the film and the dynamics on set.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic screen magazine. It is I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipath.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है।
गीत एंड आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है, फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना? आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे?
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as a more of a glamorous role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing. You guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.